Equity. You have written the word 100 times, but could you explain it to a friend in one sentence? Most juniors freeze there. Let's fix that in 3 minutes. Here is the thing. Equity is not a bank account. It is a leftover. Assets minus liabilities. Whatever remains after the loans, the salaries, the suppliers are all settled. That piece belongs to the owner. That is equity. Get this one idea and the balance sheet stops feeling like a puzzle. Picture a small bakery. The owner puts in 4,000 dinars of her own savings. The bank lends her 6,000. So she buys an oven, a counter, some stock, and keeps cash in the drawer. Total assets, 10,000. Now ask yourself, how much of that bakery is actually hers? Think for a second. Not 10,000. The bank still has a claim on 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Her equity is 4,000 dinars. Same number she put in on day 1. Notice what happened. The oven she bought with borrowed money did not make her richer. It raised assets and liabilities together. Two sides. Always. Look at the entry itself. Cash goes up 4,000 as a debit. Owner's capital goes up 4,000 as a credit. For the loan, cash up 6,000, bank loan up 6,000. Capital and loan both sit on the funding side, but only one of them ever has to be paid back. That single difference is what makes equity equity. Now run the year. The bakery earns 900 dinars of profit. The owner takes 200 out for herself. What is her equity now? 4,000 plus 900 profit minus 200 drawings, 4,700. Here is what nobody tells juniors. Equity is alive. It moves every single time the business earns, loses, or pays the owner. Profit is not a separate world from the balance sheet. It flows straight into equity through retained earnings. So when a director asks how the owner's stake grew this year, the answer is right there in 3 lines. 3 movements. That is all equity ever does. Capital brought in pushes it up. Profit retained pushes it up. Drawings or dividends pull it down. In real month-end work, this is exactly the check I run before a consolidation goes out. Opening equity plus the movements must equal closing equity. If it does not tie, something in your books is wrong. So, hold on to 3 things. Equity is what is left after every outside claim is paid. It is not cash sitting anywhere. And it changes with capital, profit, and drawings. Here is your one rule for tomorrow. Whenever you see a balance sheet, cover the equity number with your thumb and work it out yourself, assets minus liabilities. Do that 10 times and equity will never confuse you again. If you are early in your accounting career, this one equation carries you further than any shortcut. Trust it. Next, I will break down retained earnings and where that number actually comes from.